Workflow at a standstill because of the secomn64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix proprietary conflict for good. Before we get started with secomn64, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the secomn64, a 64-bit secure communication module frequently utilized by localized banking and high-security enterprise software. It provides a specialized encryption handshake and localized data encapsulation for proprietary secure socket connections, ensuring data cannot be intercepted by system-level hooks. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore secomn64.dll. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including secomn64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of secomn64.dll lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing secomn64 and maintaining system stability. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching secomn64 today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.